They are evil people. You may think that these German people, these European people, these white people, they love we black. They don't love us. That racism is still on their blood. Even where I walk, even in the train, even in the bus, they are evil. They are demons. The darkness is you today. The devil is you today. Is them. Bible says, suffer not which to live. They don't deserve to live and see tomorrow because they are demons. These German people, they are evil. You talk about the most evil country in this world is German. I call them evil because I have seen a lot. They don't go where good things come out. They go where evil come out. They will reach their self. They can never reach their self where good come. They reach their self where evil came. Where evil come out from. That is German for you. You may think you are working in a company. You may think you are doing all kind of things, have their permit, have their document. No. These people, they are evil. The reason why I say this because of Zoo called Nigeria. I said it because of that evil leader of Nigeria called Buhari. Die tomorrow. Buhari will die. Buhari will not live to see tomorrow. Buhari will die. Buhari will die that nobody will cry for Buhari. All the senators in Nigeria, all the governors in that zoo, they will die. And nobody, vulture will eat their flesh. Buhari came here last year and said they should deport Nigerians. Why? Why, Buhari? Why Buhari said that? You haven't. Buhari do not ever arrange a home. Have you ever seen someone in home is on fire, is coming to give other person advice concerning own home? No. Buhari is an evil man. Buhari is a deadly man walking. Buhari is a deadly man walking. Buhari is a ghost walking in the street. As far as 2017 is concerned, Buhari, you are not gonna see 2018. Buhari, you shall die. All those evil governors, all those evil senators that supported you, said they should return Nigeria, they shall die. Because if you people know what we are passing through, under the snow, under the winter, under the sun, we are suffering. These people, they treat us like crack. You came here, they should deport Nigeria. Buhari, I want to ask you, Buhari, have you ever built your home? Buhari, have you ever arranged your home? What did you have for Nigeria's citizen? What did you have for the youth of Nigeria? Nothing. You came here to ask them to bring your evil coffee home. Buhari, mark today date. You, Buhari, you shall never live and see 2018. Buhari, if we live to see 2018, you know that I am not serving a living God. You are an evil man. That's why he come also like evil country that called German. That's why he came here. You evil Buhari. He came here to ask them to return Nigeria. Buhari, why? Biafrans are fighting for their independence. You never grant them. The youth are there dying, stealing, killing, kidnapping. You never do anything for youth. You never care about the youth. You went to a full country like the UK in Europe to treat yourself. Are you a good leader? How come a king travel to another destination to go and treat himself? Why don't you build those hospitals in your home? Buhari, I am asking you this. If you say Nigeria is good, if you say there is a work in Nigeria, Buhari, why did you go to UK? Why did you go to overseas to treat yourself? Why don't you treat yourself in Nigeria? But let me tell you, the next time you will travel to UK, they will forget injection, they will forget pin, they will forget needle in your body, and that needle will kill you. They will give you, the injection they will give you may be A, they will give you C, the C will kill you. You evil man. Your children is in the overseas, studying with peace, with the criminal, the thief, the money that he stole. Your children are in overseas studying. Buhari, have you know the pains of citizens of Nigeria? Have you cared about the pain? You came in Europe to ask them to deport your evil body, your evil cough back to your zoo. Buhari, let me tell you, you may think you are the president, but Buhari, let me tell you, you shall die. You shall never live. See 2018. You evil Buhari. You shall never live to see 2018. The reason why I'm saying this to Buhari, let me tell you. You see those boys, a sign they should return back to your zoo. Mark it. Everybody will fight against that government called zoo. You know, your home is on fire. Then you come to bring people home to increase the fire. Have you ever seen someone in fire who is burning in house? Instead of him to pour water, he's pouring fuel. Have you ever seen that kind of person? Is it not an evil man? Is it not an evil person that will do such of character? His home is catching fire. Instead of him to pour water, he's pouring fuel on it to catch more. But that is what you are. I came back from work this afternoon to make this video because I am not happy. And let me tell you people may think it's Nnamdi Kanu. You people may think it's only Nnamdi Kanu. Thousands of us are living with pain. Thousands of us are living with brutal. We are not happy. Buhari, let me tell you, you evil people will hurt you. I am declaring this message also to you, Rochas Okrausa. I am a pure Biafra. I am a pure Igbo man. And I am proud to be an Igbo man. My mother, my father is an Igbo man. Rochas, you are not an Igbo man. I have your son picture. I have sending that picture to everywhere. Writing to people should locate where your son is studying anywhere in the white man country. I will look for your son and I will crush him. You see those houses scattered in Imo State that shot that boy. This is the way I will shoot your son. This is the way I will shoot your son. You may think, maybe when I shoot your son, I will go prison. Fuck you, fuck prison. Fuck you, fuck police. You evil people. You people shall die. Listen, let me tell you. You shall be on the plane. You shall crush. Let me tell you people. Nnamdi Kanu just having pity, mercy on you people. But mark my word, I shall bring the boys that will raise ammunition in that country. And let me tell you people, now the Europeans wanted us to go, but you people should send this message to any evil embassy that stay in that evil zoo. They shall vacate and leave that country. Because the problem we have today is them. As they want us to go, let them leave. If they don't leave, we shall kill them one by one. We shall kill them one by one. They shall die. We shall kill them one by one. Because they are evil. They only care, their embassy in that country is only to reach themselves, to make their country nice. While we are suffering, while we are crying, people are dying, they cannot say anything. Every day and night, the Nigeria government are killing people. Listen, Nigeria police, I am declaring this method to you people. You people should mark today's date. From now to 2018, I will throw you people bomb one by one. Every Nigeria station in Igbo land shall receive a bomb ammunition. If I don't do it, you people know that it's not me that talking. I shall throw bomb to every Nigeria police quarter. Be anywhere you are in Biafra land, I shall stone you people to death. Biafra have taken mercy, pity on you people. It's no more again. The way you people are killing people, that shall be the way I will be shooting you people one by one with my boys. We are coming. March 2018, you shall see something strange in that country. In Europe, where we are living, we live with fear. But the white people, they are in Nigeria living with peace, stealing our money. But we are living here with fear. But they are in our country, living, enjoying our money, enjoying our wealth. Buhari, you say that we have work. Buhari, which work do you have to your people? The work you have to your people to send your evil Islamic brothers to be killing the Biafrans. Buhari. As Adago Oshite that Ayesole. Buhari, go and find somebody who can translate this thing to you. You and your entire generation shall die one by one. We shall hunt your children. Even though your children lie, let them be in any country. We shall hunt them one by one, Buhari. You, the wife of Buhari, you are a mother, like the way other people are mother. You allowed your husband to be killing other people's mother. You allowed your husband to be killing other people's children. If someone kill your children, Mrs. Buhari, how are you going to feel? How are you going to feel? Rochas Okrocha, the people is scattering their home. The orphans are scattering their home. Those have no home to build. The poor people that is scattering their home. If they are scattering your home, if you are those people in that shoe, they scatter your home, how are you going to feel? Rochas Okrocha, your wife, ask your husband this question. Those people they kill that young boy. If they killed your son here in Europe, in UK, in America, your son is studying. Rochas, how are you going to feel? Rochas, let me tell you, I'm a pure Mbano man and I am not afraid. Rochas, Mark 2018, I shall look for your son. I have sent the picture of your son everywhere. Trying to find people to locate where your son is studying. I shall fly there and brush your son. Rochas, wait me in Imo State 2018. You shall see something strange. Because I am coming home. I am coming home to face you people. Nnamdi Kanu, he have his own kind of spirit to be doing with you people. But my own spirit is another. I swear, I shall hunt you people one by one. I shall kill you people, you evil politicians. Ohaneze Ndori, you people Ohaneze of the criminals. You people call the Ohaneze. I have you people picture one by one. I shall look for you people one by one. I will never kidnap people to call money. I don't need people money because I'm okay. But I shall hunt for you people and kill you people one by one. I shall revenge for death of those people you people are killing. Mark my word, 2018, you shall see me. I shall turn Nigeria to Sodom and Gomorrah. Libya will be better than Nigeria. Somalia should be better than Nigeria. We are building contact here in Europe where we are. We are gathering to face you people. And when you come, 2018, no place to hide. No place to hide. Airline will reject you that day. Airline will reject you people that particular day. You evil people. The devil that I'm seeing today is between you and these German people. Thunder will fire your people one by one. You people shall die and see no tomorrow. Your children, your grandchildren shall perish. They shall crush animals, zoos. That is what you people are. Wait for me, and I am coming. I am coming. 2018. You think that they say no more election? You people are doing stubborn. Those in Eastern and those are in Biafra, and you people are proving stubborn. Anambra, you people are proving stubborn to make an election. Go and vote. Let me see. You animals, cargoes. These people are still eating your brain. You allow these people to eat your brain when we are in Western world. Let me tell you people, I speak 5 international language, and I know what to do to mobilize boys to face people. Animals, that's what you people are. Let Biafra go. You people says no. You people are killing Biafra. How can you be killing people who people are not killing you? You think it's normal? The evil white people bring Bible and give to us. Carry Quran and give to you people. You people use it to killing the Christian. They go in the church, they kill Christianity, they kill people in the church. How many times have you seen they throw bomb in a mosque? You can never hear that. It's only in Nigeria you can see the Muslims are killing Christians and everybody keep quiet. All those evil pastors that went and take power from evil places, they don't want to say. All those evil politician friends, they don't want to say anything. If they kill those people who are worshiping your church, which people will come and give you offering? Which people will come and sow seed and make you become rich? Animals, all those animals, pastors. Thunder will fire you people one by one. I watched that stupid man they call Suleiman. He said that you know any Yahoo boy will come and give offering your church. Animal, you not a Yahoo man? Evil man like you that sleep with girl. Are you not at the Yahoo? Which Yahoo pass that thing you are doing? Where did he get that power? Where did he get that power? Where did he get that power? You are there brainwashing people. You people are there brainwashing people. You people cannot say the truth. Thunder will fire you people one by one. 2018, I shall crush you people one by one. Animals. Look my face. You people should look my face. You will see there is no happiness in me. Thunder will fire you people one by one. You people shall perish. Ogu will kill people. Ogu will kill people. Oloshinye. Ogu will kill people. Orieti baje. You people will die one by one. You people will die one by one. Embassy. All those embassy politicians, all those embassy pastors, all those embassy rulers, all those embassy call themselves for hundreds in Ndibo, Anga Madina. Thunder will fire you people one by one. Embassy. Fuma people. Ogu will kill you people. Mark my word. We are coming. 2018. Be ready. Every Nigeria police station, I will crush them one by one. If I don't crush them, let them know that it's not me. Animals. I am not afraid of anything. I am not afraid to die tomorrow. I am not afraid to go to prison tomorrow. Because I am fed up. It's here. I am fed up. I may say I am living in Europe. I may say I may put this nothing. But I watch my people dying. I watch the citizens of Nigeria dying. I watch the citizens of Biafra dying every day and night. You people want me to be happy and watching you people. I swear to God, if I don't finish you people know that it's not me that talking. I am not bragging. I am not boasting. I am a pure Egede man. I will finish you people one by one. Animals. I will crush you people. I am a pure day one man. If I don't finish you people know say it's not me. Ogu will kill you people one by one. Animals. Thunder will fire you people. Anyone that's supporting Biafra, one leg is here, one leg is in zoo, one leg is in Biafra. That person, the man in those two legs shall cut away and burn to ashes. That's so shall it be. Anyone that listening to this video, send this video. Let them see who is talking. I live in Germany, in Regensburg. Thunder will crush you people. Ogu wait there for Ibadan will kill you people. Ogu wait there for Abulegba will kill people. Ogu wait there for Oshodi will kill you people. Ogu wait there for Igesha will kill you people. Oloshi. You people shall die one by one. I swear to God. You people shall die one by one. For anyone that's supporting Biafra shall live and see tomorrow. But anyone who is not supporting Biafra who will not see tomorrow. We never see tomorrow. We never see the daybreak of tomorrow. Thunder will fire you people one by one. By making we are making us suffering. We are living here with pain. We are living here with pain in our heart because of what Buhari came here and caused. They turned Nigeria like a Sodom and Gomorrah. They turn Nigeria to anything. You will see a stupid, foolish, fake Oyibo that came from anywhere he came from. He will be intimidating us even where we are walking, even inside the train, even inside bus where we are staying. These people, they will be messing up with us just because of Nigeria government. Listen, let me tell you people. The money that you people are stealing, if you people use that money to build that country well, do you think that any Nigeria will travel out? We have everything. God bless us. God bless us with everything. But you people allow these evil white people to come and overthrow us, telling us what to do. Ogbu will kill you people. You people are begging these white people. Any man of that zoo obeying any white man, Ogbu will kill that person. Thunder fire you people one by one. Let them stay on their own. Let us stay on our own. Moku see how everybody will not live fine. We are fed up. We are fed up to living in this white nation. They are animals. They are cowards. They are ashlock. Thunder will fire you people one by one. Send this message. Anyone that listens, send it everywhere. Let them see it. That I am not happy. Send it to German authority. This is me. This is me, Fabian. I live in Regensburg, Bayern, Munchen. Thunder will fire anyone that mess up. Even the police, let them come. I will stab them one by one. They are animals. The Germans, they are animals. They are devil. The devil I see today is them. When I see them as a devil. Because I don't like them. I don't like anything white skin. They are animals. Thunder will fire them one by one. This is what Buhari chased us for. I was selling a boutique. I was buying and selling money in Africa just because of the way the society of the zoo is. That's why I left home to come and find peace of mind. 6 years now I've been living in Europe. No peace. No peace. I never one day sleep well just because of what Nigeria government came here to do. Ogu will kill you people one by one. Ogu will kill you people one by one. If Ogu no kill you people, make you no say no be Ogu. Ogu will kill you people one by one. Duremezu will kill you people one by one. Rochas, he shall die. He shall die. You know that he shall die. Or probably if you not die from now to 2018, make you no say that the next sick you will seek, you shall never return back. Animals, thunder fire you people one by one. Ogu will kill you people. Watch our guests here doing prostitution. Do you think they like to doing prostitution? It pay me a lot when I watch those stupid Benigers. They come out a video to talk about Nigeria boys. Ogu will kill you people also. You never direct your message to those evil people that frustrate you to come out. Any Nigerian youth that frustrate you to come out and do prostitution, when Ogu go kill you people one by one. Animals. Make our guys, they are here doing prostitution. Sleeping with the animals. Sleeping with a white useless skin. Don't know a white man's skin is like a snake. This is what you people are costed our guests. Thunder will fire you people. I just came back from work like because I am not happy. If you people do not let Biafra go, I swear. You think that those one where my fathers use Okame to fight you people. You think that those things is what we use now? You think there is only you people have gun? You people don't even have gun. Ogu go kill all of on a one by one. Thunder fire you people. The land of America will kill you people. The land of Imo State will strike you roachas or crotcha. Animals. You shall die in government house. Buhari shall die in Aso Rock. The airline that will put you to travel, you shall die. You shall never fly to come to anywhere. You shall die on that airline. Animal, evil cops like you. You came here with these evil people. Say they should bring your dead body home. When your home is on fire. I can ever see a person when your home is catching fire. Is coming to treat other people home. Buhari, why? I must see you why. Thunder crush you. Thunder crush you double times. Ogu, if Ogu no kill you, make you no say no be me. Ogu go kill you one by one, animal. Idiot.